Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find a new release Shopify theme on your Shopify store. So you can see I already logged in my Shopify admin store. So what you need to do, you need to tap here or click here add theme and visit theme store. Then here get the option collection. Simply click on the down arrow and new theme release, so simply click here. Then you will get this theme is released recently, and it's really new. So if you want to click and if you want to check the whole thing and view demo store, so it looks pretty beautiful, like you can use. And there are many, like if you click sell, there is style. So you can see it's recently released. Like if you want to buy, then click here, then add to cart. So it looks pretty. If you want to see how it looks like on the smartphone, then click here. It looks pretty, so you can go home. So this way you can find the new release theme on a Shopify store. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.